Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Winzo account. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for the Winzo. And then, after open, click on the login. If you don't have an account yet, you can select the register here. Now, enter your country name and contact person's name. Next, type your email address and choose your country and create a strong password. After that, check your email inbox and continue with the registration process. Open the Winzo email and click on Confirm Account. And once confirmed, go back to Winzo website and log in using your email and password. And finally, click on the profile or complete profile from the left panel and fill in the required details. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.